day, and yet I've already done so much, and you've even seen so much of what I've done. I wasn't really in a talking mood this morning, so I thought I'd just like do my thing, and now I feel like talking. So hey, what's up? I gotta feed these horses. Also, Elna like destroyed her stall, so I can't put horses in today. So they're gonna have to be out in the heat. Poor things, but we'll get that fixed today, and hopefully they'll be back in tomorrow. Silly mare. That storm, man. We had quite a storm last night, and it had everybody acting like a lunatic. Not good, but, you know, 'tis the season here in Florida, so. Anyway, I gotta feed these horses or they're gonna get mad at me, and they're not gonna talk to me, and they're like my best friends, so I need them to talk to me. The kids are napping, so I'm not gonna be allowed, but I am cleaning my bathroom. I'm trying to get it reorganized at the moment because it's kind of crazy, and with us having an impending move, I'd really like everything to be a little more organized so it's easy to just put it in a box, go. And what I'm doing right now is my jewelry. So my jewelry has been basically not organized at all. It's just been like blob, 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 and I'm now dealing with the ramifications. That's actually not mine, the little unicorn. That's one of the kids, but it's got mixed in with my stuff, and oh my goodness. This is impossible.
POBOX and broccoli and potato and POBOX and chicken. Take this off. I couldn't take it off.
Yeah, I'll take it off in a second.
And this amen.
Amen. Good boy.
Hey, Mom.
Yes. What did he just do to you?
To me.
What's he doing?
He did it to me.
What's he doing to you?
He's blown up. Daddy, you didn't do it to me. Yes.
I'm moving your chair.
Yes, you are. Mommy, I got myself out. I got myself out.
Next time with teeth. I love how they complain, and then they get back into
I'm
it.
not pulling you.
I think you're pulling. That was so silly. Silly.
Yeah.
His belly button.
No, I already sucked the fat out of my belly. You ready?